Hi guys, I hope you enjoy this video. It's a what I wore on my French holiday. I'm going to have to split it into two parts, as obviously it's like a 10 plus day holiday, so I wore quite a few outfits. So yeah, this is part 1 and there will be a part 2, so stay tuned. The dress is from Shein and the sandals I purchased from Davis Vincent, and the bag I also purchased from a independent shop which unfortunately doesn't have an online website. The dress and top matching set I purchased from Shein, and the shoes I believe I thrifted. I purchased the shoes from the thrift shop, the crop top I purchased from Shein, and the shorts were purchased from Pretty Little Thing. The matching skirts and crop top I purchased from Shein, and the shoes are the same shoes as before, which I thrifted. So I look a bit of a mess. I don't have a lot of makeup on, and I've got this little rash around my lips, so I look hanging. But anyway, oh god, my forehead looks very shiny, so it's the lighting. Oh, I can't talk and say the lighting. Hi guys, thank you for watching the video. Please feel free to comment, rate and subscribe, and I shall see you in my next video.